Okay, so far we've been syncing on demand. Sync all, selective sync. You click a button. But most teams don't want to remember to click a button every time something changes. And that's where AutoSync comes in. From the product docs to enable AutoSync, we just need to go back to the space settings and then sync space list again. In here, find the space that you want to sync with, click AutoSync config, and just enable AutoSync. Click submit, and as easy as that, we're done. Now, let's test it out. Let's edit Q2 release notes. Let's say, for example, product team have made some updates for this. Fixed minor bug in the macros of JSM. Let's hit the update button and let the magic happen. Let's head over to the support hub to see if the change was made. And yes, it's here. Okay, hear me out. Right now, this only flows in one direction or unidirection, from product docs to support. But what if, for example, support finds something that needs fixing? Say a customer FAQ answers that is outdated. Right now, they'd have to ask the product management team to change it. Let's do it by fixing the unidirectional and make it bidirectional. To do this, we just have to enable AutoSync as well on the destination space. Just click the action, click AutoSync, enable the AutoSync from this side, click Submit. As easy as that. Now, let's try to make an edit on the same release note. Let's say support team said, oh, this wasn't fixed. Let's remove that and just click the update. Now, let's head over to the product hub and see if the change was made. And voila, it was removed. Oh, one thing worth noting before you turn this both ways. If someone edits the same page on both sides before a sync runs, there's no merge. Whichever edit syncs last wins, and the other one gets overwritten. It's a Confluence limitation. It's not an SSC one. But it matters more for both sides can write. If that's a concern, we suggest to keep AutoSync one directional or unidirectional and route corrections through one team. AutoSync, one way or two way done. Next, what happens when you don't want something to sync? Like let's say an page that we accidentally push a couple of videos back.